Hi, today we're going to talk about how to succeed in today's economy. Of course, we all know that education is only one component of success. But being successful is not just about education. Today we're going to talk about what else is needed to be successful in today's economy. I plan to divide my lecture into two main parts. First, I want to survey the current business environment. Second, I'd like to outline the attributes needed in order to be successful in today's economy. Okay, let's get started. When we talk about today's economy, what do we mean? Well, basically, we're referring to a global system of people, resources, and ideas. This means that everything is connected, interrelated. Conditions change rapidly, all the time. We call this a VUCA environment. That's V-U-C-A. V is for volatility. U, uncertainty. C, complexity. And A, ambiguity. Let's look at these one by one. V, volatility. Volatility means the economy is likely to change suddenly. It may change in unpredictable ways. We don't know how or when the change will come. For example, the price of a barrel of oil might go up 20% in one day. This shows that the energy market is volatile. Then there is U, uncertainty. We don't have all the information we want or need. We can't control events. We can't predict how everyone will react. For example, a while back, Google launched Google Glass. You know, the wearable gadget that fits over your eyes. It seems like you can see a secret world. Google thought it was a great product. They believed that consumers would love it, but the reaction was mixed. Why? Around that same time, the public was getting nervous about privacy. The company had no way of knowing that consumers would react this way. Consumer response is like the weather. It's uncertain. And then there is C, complexity. Business problems are often caused by a number of diverse factors. For example, a company may have a problem in a foreign country because of customs or cultural values the company did not understand. For example, a large U.S. retailer, Walmart, recently tried to open a chain of stores in Germany. Walmart used their successful U.S. model. They had cheap prices, very large stores, and long store hours. But it didn't work as well as they had hoped. They discovered that Germans generally don't trust low-priced products. They don't like large stores, and they don't want to go shopping at midnight. The process of opening a chain of stores was more complex than they thought. And finally, there's ambiguity. Ambiguity means things are unclear or undefined. People tend to make familiar choices because they don't like ambiguity. For example, if your company wants to open a new sales office in New York or Chicago, you may say, I don't know much about Chicago, so let's choose New York. This is called the ambiguity effect. People avoid choosing something they're not familiar with. Okay, that's VUCA. Volatility, uncertainty, complexity, and ambiguity. These are a set of interrelated factors that describe the main challenges in business today. Do you see what I mean here? Okay, well, how does someone succeed in the face of all of these challenging factors? Bob Johansen of the Institute for the Future in Palo Alto, California, identifies 4 characteristics a leader needs to succeed in business. He uses the same letters, V-U-C-A, to describe these characteristics. V is for vision, U for understanding, C for clarity, and A is for agility. He calls this VUCA Prime. Let's examine these characteristics and illustrate each one with an example of a successful business leader. First, vision. Vision means having a clear idea for the direction of the company. What does the company want to achieve? What is the dream? Vision means making big decisions that align with this dream. Someone who clearly had vision was Jeff Bezos, the founder of Amazon. In the early days of the internet, Bezos realized the internet use was growing very rapidly. He had the vision that these internet users would want to shop online. So he started Amazon, which today is a complete virtual shopping center. Next, understanding. Understanding involves taking time to look at the big picture, to see what is going on outside of us. Understanding means paying attention to opportunities around us. Rashmi Sinha had this kind of understanding when she co-founded SlideShare. She saw a great opportunity in the concept of global sharing and started a company, SlideShare, that allows companies and individuals around the world to share presentations. Then we have clarity. Clarity means being able to see clearly what is most important and being able to make a strong decision about what to do. One example of a leader seeing clearly is Laura Fitton, founder of the social business network 140, which was later acquired by HubSpot. Fitton clearly envisioned that social media could be utilized as a marketing and investing tool. She saw clearly what was missing: a directory system for people to find goods, services, and opportunities easily. Finally, agility. Agility is being able to think and move quickly. A good example of agility is Pierre Omidyar, who started eBay. He saw that people like to buy and sell their own goods and services in an open marketplace. So he designed an auction website. Very quickly, he adapted to people's feedback about what they wanted. That's agile thinking. So there you have it in a nutshell. If you want to succeed as a business leader, you need to have these qualities: vision, understanding, clarity, and agility. I hope you'll be inspired by these examples. These are exciting times to be in business, and I'd like you to start thinking about how you can succeed. Think about this. Which VUCA Prime qualities do you possess? And what kind of business would you like to start? Okay, that'll do it for now.